Hey everyone, it's Sir Manuel here, and welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into content creation, social media growth, and everything in between. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today I'm sharing the key to standing out on YouTube, creating unique content with millions of videos uploaded daily. It's easy to get lost in the noise, but you don't have to. Develop your own voice and find creative ways to present your ideas to build a loyal audience. Start by finding your niche and developing a voice that reflects your personality. What makes you different? Maybe it's the way you explain complex ideas in simple terms. Own it. Next, let's talk about creative ideas that can make your content stand out. Put your unique spin on trends. For example, add an educational twist to a reaction video or mix storytelling into tech reviews. Thumbnails and titles are the first things people see, so make sure they pop. Use vibrant images, big bold text and intrigue. No clickbait. Always deliver on what your title promises. And authenticity builds trust. Audiences can tell when you're being real. Remember, the key to growing on YouTube is not just about views, it's about building a community. Reply to comments, ask your audience questions, and encourage them to engage with your content. When people feel a connection with you, they'll stick around. All right, creators, that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge is when it comes to making unique content. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already for more tips and strategies to grow your channel. I'll see you in the next one.